Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna share a delicious recipe how to make pork and chicken dumplings. Alright guys, let's get started. So I have 451 gram minced pork and the dumpling skins, and also I will make the chicken filling for myself. And now I'm gonna marinate the pork first with 2 cloves of garlic and 2 tablespoons of ginger juice, oops, sorry guys, it happens sometimes. 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, and half tablespoon cooking oil, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. And mix it up until eventually mix it. I'm gonna add 1 egg. This is a secret recipe guys. It makes the filling more juicy. And also there's 1 left. I'm gonna add 6 cubes of ice to make it more juicy. I almost forgot. Add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and then let it marinate for about 30 minutes in the fridge. Next, I'm gonna wash the Chinese veggie for the dumpling. And next, I'm gonna boil for a few seconds. And don't forget to put 1 teaspoon of salt. And then transfer the veggie into cold water and then squeeze before you cut. And chop the veggie into small. And mix with the pork that we already marinate. Alright, now I'm gonna make the chicken filling. This is for myself because I don't eat pork. After chopping, then transfer into a bowl and then marinate with 1 clove minced garlic, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 1/4 of white pepper, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and mix it well. I'm gonna add 1 egg. It's gonna make the chicken very juicy. I'm gonna add half cup of spring onion and mix it until eventually well. I'm gonna add 3 ice cubes and mix it well again. And let it marinate for about an hour in the fridge. After 1 hour marination, I'm gonna make the pork dumpling first, and don't forget to keep the flour on the board. The reason why you have to put the flour on the board so that the dumpling doesn't stick on the board if you put it on top. Alright guys, I already done wrapping the pork dumpling. And you guys should try this recipe for your boss. I'm sure your boss gonna love this pork dumpling. Now I'm gonna put in the fridge. So before you put in the box, you have to cut the flour first so that they won't stick together when you putting them into the fridge. Next, I'm gonna make the chicken dumpling, so I'm gonna do the same as before, like how I wrapped the pork dumpling. Alright guys, here they are, the chicken dumpling. I made a different shape so that I know which one is the chicken dumpling or the pork dumplings. And don't worry if you guys don't eat meat, you could also make your own vegetarian dumpling or any fillings that you really like to eat. Alright guys, so here's how I cook the chicken dumpling. Put in a hot pan and cover it for a few minutes. Once it's covered, I'm gonna keep the rest first in the freezer. Now add a little bit of water and cover again until no water left in the pan. And here they are, guys. I'm done, and it's very simple and very delicious. Look at this, also very tender and very soft and smooth. You can see the texture. It's really good. I really can't wait to try it, and you guys should try this recipe.